In this section of the video, we will guide you on how to use the Afrox bulk scheduling app on the eShop. The Bulk Gases app is now available on the eShop on request. To access the Bulk Gases app, you need to sign in on your account and click on Bulk Gases app tab. You'll be presented with a screen that gives you an overview of the Afrox tank installation, delivery information, current levels, previous delivery dates, and last recorded readings. Select the appropriate tank and date range to view either average consumption for the period or daily average consumption. Please note that the system can retrieve data for up to 1 year. The entry-level reading section allows the customer to submit manual readings for the tank levels. Customers who use manual readings need to submit their tank levels daily. Select the relevant installation and enter the reading date and time. Enter the reading in the space provided. Please note that depending on the tank, the relevant metric unit of either kilograms or percentage will be displayed. Click on Submit to share your readings with Afrox. The Delivery Request section allows customers to request deliveries manually from Afrox. Start by selecting the relevant installation and entering the date and time of the last reading of the relevant tank. Enter the current reading of the tank. Again, the relevant metric will be displayed in either kilograms or percentage. Choose the preferred delivery dates and time windows as displayed on your screen. The user needs to enter a valid purchase order number. Should you have special delivery instructions, there is a section for comments that should be completed by the user. Once completed, click on Submit. The Delivery History section provides the customer with an overview of the delivery history. Select the relevant Ship To and installation that you would like to view. You can filter the history by date range and status. The user can click on Search to display the history on screen or click on Download to download the report. You are also able to query your order history on this screen. The Review Account Info section gives the user an overview of their account. Select the relevant Ship To and installation to view information like account, contact, PO info, etc. You can update any information or send through instructions by completing the comments section and clicking on Submit once done.